So this is the end of my marigolds and zinnias. They have had enough for the year, and I really need to clean them up. And I have a Christmas present. This was a Christmas present that I was really looking forward to. It is a Hori Hori. Now you may have seen people talk about them on a couple of different channels, and I was very intrigued by the idea, but some of them, the really fancy ones, are like, you know, 150, 250 bucks, sometimes more for the hand-forged ones, and they're gorgeous, there's no question about it, but that just was not in the budget. So I found one of these at Home Depot. Now, this is not a paid announcement in any sense of the imagination. I just got a Christmas present, and I tried it earlier on something else and said, oh my gosh, I have to share. So, usually I would get in here with some sort of clippers, and it would do it, but, you know, not as well as I wanted. And I tried this on some grass that I needed to trim about a week or so ago, and I was just blown away at how convenient it was. It works. I'm using it similarly to a scythe, actually a sickle, to cut, just so that I can get down, so that I can see what's down here, because I don't want to pull out anything I shouldn't. And it works great. I'm not having to put a lot of force into it, but it's trimming things nicely. That edge is really sharp. If I was going to complain about anything, I would complain about this little notch. I'm sure they intend it for cutting cords and stuff like that. But if you don't put this into the sheath just right, this will actually hook on the edge of the sheath, and you won't be able to get it out. Ask me how I know. Anyway, so all I'm trying to do is cut the top of this stuff off. I have some perennials underneath here that I don't want to chop off. But this does an amazing job, and I'm sure you're going to be seeing me using this for absolutely all kinds of stuff this summer. I think it ought to be great for planting too, because it's designed to be used as a planter with the markings for the depths and everything already set in. I may do a little work on the workshop in it. I don't like how sharp the edge of the metal tang is on this, but we'll see if it bothers me. If it bothers me, I can either round off the wood and the tang, or I can just put some of the stick-on handle stuff that they sell for things like tennis rackets.